We'll talk about how can you select who can receive video caller ID on your Truecaller app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on course here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. You just keep going down here. So then you come here to receive video caller ID. Click here on manage preference, and here can you select it in this list on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.